Can I do it again?
On camera.
Right. Careers and Employment Service is an on-campus service that provides students the opportunity to study whilst working, so they can help you find a job casually or part-time. Do I start again?
Yeah.
All right. So the most beneficial resource was them actually helping me set up my resume at first. I signed up for their monthly newsletter, which has like a range of casual to part-time jobs that they send to students every single month, and then they help me do like mock interviews to prepare for the actual interview for my job. And after that, I think I was feeling very confident, and then when I went for the job, I nailed it and I got the job. So at Tinker Tank, I am a lead mentor. So I help the kids do their coding, their animation, their robotics. What I enjoy most is working with the kids actually, because I have little brothers who are pretty much around the same age. So it just reminds me of home and just, talking to the kids, like it's fun for me.